So I ordered the case. I got the small version of it. I'm kind of disappointed with this only because on the images it has like the little ridges where you can actually like pop these off and put the GoPro in here, but for mine it actually doesn't have that. I have the GoPro HERO3 and it doesn't fit in here clearly, so I just kind of managed to use the case in this way just to kind of throw it in there, which I really like the case, but I'm just really disappointed with this because again, my GoPro doesn't fit in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a 1 star, or maybe 2.